Hey guys, this is Paul. Can you guess what we're doing? We're going to a car show. Let's see what's in there. Is it an indoor or an outdoor car show?
Outdoor.
Outdoor? Oh shit.
101 degree heat.
Why'd you fucking choose an outdoor car show when it's 101 out? But yeah guys, I guess we'll get back to you. So we'll see you guys whenever we get there. Is it open?
No, maybe it is. See that Oklahoma's biggest gas pump? I'm gonna take a picture of y'all standing in front of it. I poured the foundation for that. Gas pump.
I've never seen that while driving through here. Probably because I never paid attention to it. That's neat. Yes, we're open. We were going to the car show. Well, we are, but this is our first stop. We're going to see what's in this car museum. So let's check it out. Curious to see what's in here. I've never been in here.
I ain't either. I haven't got to come in it either. D4 transmission, 3-speed.
Well, keep in mind, if you find old street signs like this anywhere abandoned, get them because those sell for quite a bit.
Looks like a 65 Chevy Impala.
Look, Maserati. Holy shit.
Where you going?
Maserati. Look.
Oh, the Maserati?
Yes.
There, you won't find one of them uptown.
Oh yeah, they had this one at the fairgrounds.
Yeah, this one was at the fairgrounds.
It's a 1905 Cadillac. Ford 460, Jaguar V12, V8. And of course you go over to these, dude. These are freaking neat. This is a Willys Jeep. Damn. Like, I know later, I don't know a ton about cars, but I know later on I'm gonna look back on this and I'm gonna go like, damn. See through leather too. That's neat. 1958 BMW IZ. Dude, I have never seen these. Yeah, I've never seen this in real life. I know the doors in the front. That's weird. Damn. Can you imagine sitting in that? That must be a tight fit.
This V12 Jaguar, when I was in high school, I worked on a ranch, and the guy that owned the ranch had a V12 Jaguar, 72. And he'd drive his car up to the liquor store, and they'd give him, pick up some moonshine whiskey for him and take it back to his house. I've rebuilt several of these flathead V8s in the 60s. When I was growing up, I rebuilt several of those.
I'm sorry guys, like, sorry guys, I just can't talk. Like, this is awesome. I love the freaking midnight blue color on this. You're taking selfies everywhere. Man, this is doing Ripley's Believe It or Not. I like this 1955 Jaguar though. I still wish they did car interior like this. Like the speedometer, the radio and everything. What's what?
What is that?
I know it's a Jag. It tells you what they are right here.
The Jag that my boss had that I drove. This has got a V12 in it.
Is this similar to the one?
It's similar to one he had was a 72.
Penny farthing. Farthing.
Farthing.
Penny
Don't you
farthing.
remember
Farthing.
them guys on the
Farthing.
ride? You get to rolling it, and you put your foot on this. After you get it going, foot on there, and then you mount it.
Seems like it would be tricky to
Well,
ride.
it is. They say they look really tricky.
I heard dual clutch cars are the most pain in your face. I don't know if you guys are seeing this, but this is putting too big of a smile on my face.
Right. 200 mile an hour on speedometer. And it would fit
midget racers. Though. Oh shoot! Look at this! Look at this! I did not notice. This one goes in water. I want this in my room. These are all signed. Did you really almost go in the women's restroom? No, I like every car here. These two are the Jags. I like this one the most. Yellow one, but I kind of like this one a lot more. I drove a couple of these, but obviously it was in my game, not real life. I
said we were passing a call hauler, and he grabbed me by the arm and started shaking me and he's trying to say, I ate. Oh, what did you eat? But we'd never seen one. That was the first one.
Yeah, I just seen pictures.
Yeah, that's the way I was, and he's seen a lot of pictures of them, and even got little model cars of them. But he got to see his first one in person. But it did pass. We slowed down and drove alongside him for a little while.
We also saw a rally fighter, I think, on the other.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it was up on. They were taking them somewhere.
Well, guys, we just got out. Time to go to the car show. Take a photo at this gas pump. You didn't tell me this. Neat. Pretty neat bikes. Oh, that has the Lambo doors. What?
Really nice.
That's custom. I've never seen that done on a car before.
Ooh.
Yeah, I really like this.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
As Callie McGuire works. First of all, let me just say to all the car owners, thank you so much for being here. I understand we have 200.
Oh, there's one of those mini.
248 entrants.
Look at this though. I want one of these.
Oh, that's
I told you it's a mini car.
And then we're going to continue on with the classes.
Motors in the back too. I've seen people drive these too. It's pretty funny.
That stock. Top.
Ooh.
See this?
Top 3 in the class.
Look how big these tires are though.
94 to current Mustang.
These aren't the
stock.
normal tires, are they?
Mary Calvert, 87 classic Chevy stock. Top 3 in the class.
There was 250 cars here.
Holy shit.
Classic Chevy.
Oh, that's neat. Look at that.
Top 3 in the class.
Look at this.
Blue that is entered today. Okay.
Ooh, shit. Yes. This guy. Oh, yeah. Dude, these are good looking cars. Clint
Clint
Eastwood.
Eastwood rode that Torino and Gran Torino, the movie Gran Torino.
Yeah, the ending of that was...
Cried.
I did cry. The ending was sad. He got shot up trying to pull a cigarette out. Ooh, yes. Hang on. Look at this. Oh, I loved these. Hey, I saw one of these in action at that car show.
Yeah, this is a Shelby Cobra.
Metal's gonna be hot.
These cars cost a lot of money.
Apologize
Especially this one. How much did these go for?
All 3 names.
All I know is I heard someone at that car show saying that's $1 million
Top
car
3
right
in the
there.
class.
Is this it?
Probably is.
Donnie. Top.
I thought maybe if I...
There's most definitely airbags on that one. How low it is?
Yeah, it's got air ride or hydraulics.
There's a Porsche. I want to go there. Come on. All right. I know.
I like that skate.
This one is definitely imported. I did not know that. Okay, I am a JDM guy and my heart is racing. Oh no. Oh, I love it.
Beautiful.
Look at this. Ooh.
That's not racing.
Yes. Come on. Oh yeah. Damn. That's me. You just smile I have on my face right now.
I would come back.
Look, they're all coming up behind us. Look behind you. They're all coming up behind us.
Here you go.
Yeah. We're gonna get a fucking. We're gonna get.
Yeah, it's gonna be your fault.
That's the one with the red.
Woo!
That's the one with the red motor in it.
Really? Holy shit. Guys, done with that car show. We're going to eat some Chinese buffet right now. We deserve it. We sweat our asses off just to record a video for you guys. And I enjoyed every single bit of it, not just the recording. I enjoyed the cars a hell of a lot. I loved it. Honestly, the outdoor one was my favorite because I heard motors and everything. It just wasn't complete static silence. So. Well, this Chinese buffet looks good. These cars are stopped here for some reason. Holy shit! Yes. Dad. Okay, first off, I'll show you guys it's not fake. So we only got 3 fortune cookies. See, look, there's yours. He had one. He has one. And I opened mine. I somehow got 2 of them. I got 2 freaking notes. That's weird. I've never got that before. I just opened this and 2 notes of these fell out.
The Cadillac with 26s on it.
Yesterday?
Yeah, instead of the small, little tiny ones like mine.
These are 22s, right?
Yeah.
26s. Holy shit, that's big. His pictures are all blurry. Look, honey, there's a beautiful little puppy here that needs a home. Oh, God.
And I like that.
I mean, just think about it, guys. I found 2 freaking fortune cookie notes and a one single damn fortune cookie. I showed you guys Dad's and my little brother's fortune cookie, so now you know it's not fake. This is crazy. There's a little girl right next to us. She got 2 in hers too, so I don't know how rare that is, but it's something. Decent.